meet our new baby. This is Bulgarian Karakachan dog. He's 1 month old only. Bear. We took him from Shepherd's High in the Bulgarian mountains, in the Ricotta mountains. His parents were very, very big. Look at his parents, I will show you. So see, he looks like red panda. Berce. So he's from people who are Bulgarian Pomaks. In the Ottoman times, these people were forced into Islamic religion, and these are actually the most conserved Bulgarians. Look. So they really, since centuries, they take care of sheep, and they grow the best shepherd dogs. So this is Karakachan dog. You see this dog herb everywhere, really everywhere, grows everywhere, and it is advisable, of course, not to gather it in places where too many cars pass. For example, we cook it really like spinach. It is very, very delicious. Ricotta cheese, 3 eggs, dog's herb.